Okay, so let us move on to this new type of question. MST Limited has collected the following data of for its two activities. Okay, so this is my activity. First is power and next is quality inspection. So there are two activities. This is the cost driver. For power it is kilowatts and for quality inspection it is number of inspections. Nice sum. कॉस्ट ड्राइवर कैपेसिटी दिया हुआ है. जनरली वी कैलकुलेट दिस, हम ये जनरली कैलकुलेट करते हैं. ओके, कॉस्ट ड्राइवर कैपेसिटी दे गिव इट इंडिविजुअली, बट यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं, इट इज ऑलरेडी इन टोटल. ठीक है, या सो दिस इज द कॉस्ट ड्राइवर कैपेसिटी. देन दिस इज द कॉस्ट पूल. ओके, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. Okay, understood? So question is clear. Actually it's a easy one. आपको एक्टिविटी भी दिया हुआ है, cost driver भी mentioned है, cost driver capacity भी calculated है, cost pool is also given to you. Okay, so with this 4 informations, what will I be able to calculate? I will be able to calculate my cost driver capacity. Okay, yeah. Next, the company makes 3 products M, S and T for the year ended 31st March 2017. The following consumption of cost driver was reported. So the individual cost consumption is also reported. Ye raha. Okay, 10, 20 and 15. So let me total this. 10 and 20 is 30, 30 and 15. So is how much? 45,000. So total consumption of kilowatts is how much? 45. और इधर कितना दिया है? इधर 50 दिया है और नीचे कितना दिया है? 45 दिया है. It should be same na, but it is not same. That means there is some concept which is hidden in that. Am I clear till here? Understood? The cost driver capacity, when I am totaling it, it is coming 45, but here in the question it is given 50,000. So there is this element hidden of 5,000. We will see what to do with that. Am I clear about this? Yeah? Okay, fine. So I'm just writing it here. This totals to 45. Okay. Now let us come to number of inspections. So total the number of inspections. So 3,500 plus, just a minute. 3,500 plus 2,500 inspections plus 3,000. So that makes it to 9,000. So there are 9,000 inspections. But इधर question में बोला है 10,000 inspections. Again, there is an element of 1,000 inspections ka differences. Okay, so what to do with that, I'll let you know. Am I clear with the questions to everyone? Question is clear to everyone? Yeah? Yeah, just acknowledge it in the chat box. What are you supposed to calculate? You are supposed to calculate the overheads allocated to each product from each activity. Obviously, matlab total cost. Correct? आपको total cost निकालना है. That is computation of overheads. So they have not asked you to calculate CDR. That is cost driver rate निकालने को बोला नहीं है, but निकालना पड़ेगा because to calculate the total cost, I need to know my cost driver rate. Okay, so that's a part of the solution. Okay, ये हो गया. फिर next they want us to also calculate further the cost of unused capacity of each activity. जो use किया है उसका तो मैं ये बना दूंगी, overheads statement बना दूंगी, but जो unused है उसका भी एक statement बनाना है. So got the difference that I was talking about, वो unused वाला. So there is 5,000 का difference. Yeah, there is a difference of 5,000 here, which is unused, and there is a difference of 1,000 here, which is unused. So I have to give what do you call? I have to give a calculation of the 5,000 kilowatts which is not used and 1,000 inspections which was not done. Am I clear about the question? Yeah? Yeah, just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. So we are just going one step ahead. We are also going to calculate the unused capacity. अभी तक हमने ऐसा सम नहीं लिया था जहाँ पे unused capacity भी हम calculate करते थे. Generally हमारा जो given capacity था और used capacity दोनों same ही था. Okay. Thank you. So let us start with first, obviously, calculating the cost driver rate. Calculate this, yeah, the cost driver rate. Okay. Okay. So first make the what do you call it? Just a minute. Yeah. First calculate the, first show the activity that is given in the question. Okay. Then the second column will be the activity pool. Yeah. In the question. Okay. And next thing will be about cost driver and cost driver capacity. Okay. So just prepare these columns. Yeah. Okay. So activity, you have only two activity. The first activity is power and the second activity is quality inspection. Okay. So first activity is power. Here it is. And second activity is quality inspection. Cost pool is given to you 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Cost driver is also given in the question, kilowatt hours and number of inspections. Okay. Cost driver capacity is also given in the question. Okay. 50,000 and 10,000 inspections. So how will you get the CDR? That is cost driver rate V divided by D. That is cost pool divided by cost driver capacity. So that is the formula of cost driver rate. Okay. So that's the formula of cost driver rate. Okay. So 2 lakhs divided by 50,000 kilowatts. So that makes it to 4 rupees per kilowatt hours. And then 3 lakhs divided by number of inspections is 10,000. So that makes it to 30 rupees per inspection. So activity wise आपने rates निकाला है. ठीक है? Done till here? Okay. Next आप क्या करोगे? You will calculate the overheads. That's very easy. Power का rate क्या है? 4 rupees. So multiplied with, yeah, the individual used capacities. Okay, used capacity. So 4 rupees multiplied with ये रहा. So this, ये सब 4 rupees से multiply होगा. We just calculated, right? All this will be multiplied with 4 rupees. 10,000 into 4, 20,000 into 4, 15,000 into 4. Am I clear about this? Yeah? Is it clear? Then what is inspection ka rate? Inspection ka rate is 30 rupees. So ये individually multiply होगा किससे? 30 से. 3,500 into 30, 2,500 into 30, 3,000 into 30. Okay. So I hope I'm clear till here. Now let me move on to the next part, the computation of overheads to each product. Okay. Yeah. So मैंने अभी बताया था आपको, right? ये step 10,000 into 4, 20,000 into 4, 15,000 into 4. Individual kilowatts को आप जो रेट आपको मिला है, एक्टिविटी रेट कितना है? 4 रुपया, उससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. तो 10,000 into 4 is 40,000. Then 20,000 into 4 is 80,000, and 15,000 kilowatts. 15,000 kilowatts into 4 is how much? 60,000. So this is the cost of power as an activity for all the three products. Then come to quality inspection. As I told you, yeah, क्या बोला था मैंने? It will be multiplied with these three individual rates. Yeah, 3,500, 2,500, 3,000 multiplied with 30 rupees per inspection. Okay, so 3,500 into 30 makes it to 1,05,000. 2,500 into 30 makes it to 75,000, and 3,000 into 30 makes it to 90,000. ठीक है, टोटल कर दो. डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट नहीं है इस सम में, अदरवाइज मेरा टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होता? डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट प्लस इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. दैट वुड हैव गिवन मी माय ओवरहेड्स कैलकुलेशन, बट इन द क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट इज नॉट देयर, सो आई विल ओनली कंसीडर द इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, दैट इज पावर एंड क्वालिटी इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट. ओके, या so 90,000 plus 60,000 makes it to 1,50,000 for product T, and 75,000 plus 80,000, that is how much? 1,55,000 for second product S, and 40,000 plus 1,05,000, that makes it to added it, yeah, okay, subtracted it, plus 40,000, so that makes it to 1,45,000. Okay, so I'm clear with the computation of overheads of each product, first part of the question, where indirectly you're also calculating the CDR, that is the cost driver rate. Okay, this part is clear to everyone? Thank you. इसके बाद आपको क्या निकालना है? The unused capacity. See, you have to calculate the unused capacity also. Used तो मैंने कर दिया, used का capacity हमने निकाल दिया. 1,45,000, 1,55,000 and 1,50,000 is the cost. Let us see for the unused what is the cost. Okay, तो unused तो मैंने आपको बता दिया 5,000 है for power, and inspection का 1,000. So multiply it with the rate that you have got. Okay. Yeah. So this is the second part of the question. Yeah. Please note down this. Computation of, yeah, quality. This. Calculation of cost of unused capacity. Okay. Yeah. So maximum capacity is given 50 and 10,000 respectively. Capacity used, I just showed you the calculation, 45,000 and 9,000. So the difference between maximum and capacity used is the unused part. Okay, 5,000 and 1,000. Okay, multiply with the rate जो अभी हमें मिला है. तो पावर का कितना है? 5,000 into 4 rupees. So that makes it to 20,000, and 1,000 of inspection multiplied with 30 rupees per inspection. So that makes it to 30,000. So 20 plus 30 कितना हुआ? तो total 50,000 का सामान, or you can say capacity is unused by the manufacturer. Okay, so got a preview of ABCS, how it also helps you to even analyze the unused capacity of the manufacturer. Okay, clear till here? Understood? So then we will move on to the next part of the question, a new question I mean.